welcome to episode 4, 5, whatever it is now. Today's episode of Mojo Garage, where we still haven't showed Mojo that much, and there is no garage yet, but we're working on it. Today for the derelict Civic project, we got new fenders, getting rid of the side markers, and gonna start some of the wire tuck and getting rid of some of the broken brake lines. And I'm gonna also cut out the carpet because it smells terrible. Again, it's been sitting outside for 5 years with one of the windows open, and we're gonna get started on that today. So we got the fenders pulled out, fender harnesses pulled out, working some of the bracketry out. Gonna pull some of the wires out of the bay, get some of the old amplifier wiring kit out, cleaned up some of the injector wiring, got rid of some of the extra zip ties and stuff like that. Just got a little bit more to go, and then probably re-pressure wash everything again when the F20B is going in. But that's it for now. Alright, so we moved on to the inside. This thing is disgusting. There's probably like a whole colony of rats living in here, and it doesn't look pretty. It smells as good as it looks. So basically just pulling out all the panels, gonna vacuum out all the stuff. Gotta do black carpet in here. Gonna get new door panel for that side because previous owner chewed it up trying to get the window open, even though it was just a bad regulator. Clear out some of this additional amp wiring, cabling, tuck up the ECU some, and basically just literally clean out all the shit. Comparison between a Real Spoon Sports Duracon shift knob and the eBay special. First off, the packaging. The spoon's going to come with the actual bag, and everything's going to be packed in its own separate compartment. The packaging, the actual spoon one, has the part number on the back on the label, and it's all clear and legible. eBay one, it's kind of like hazy. Packaging's not the right size, not even the right shelf holder hole. Not sure what you would call that. And let's see, the actual knob itself, it looks a lot better on camera, but that is kind of fuzzy in comparison to the Real Spoon. The set screw and Allen key are a different color. The Real Spoon is black and silver. And that's it. Alright, so we moved past the brake line portion, getting to putting the shift boot on the center console, because the shift boot that's on there right now is just as gross as the rest of the car. And this is probably going to be the nicest piece in the interior. So we have just a Type R style red leather shift boot, black leather red stitching. And what we're going to call from here on end is a spork shift knob, because this isn't Real Spoon, as we went over earlier. Alright, so let's get into it. Just a couple screws should free this up. Probably going to drop this since I'm filming myself doing this, but oh, there it goes. Oh, so far one. And two. camera's really gonna catch the crusty and grossness of this. So it's used to be silver, now it's a nice hue of brown, and we're just gonna toss this. It's totally trash. Let's see. Alright, just some quick massaging of the holes, everything lined up. This is going to be where I drop the screws. Magnetic screwdriver next time. Definitely come in handy. But that's one. That's two. Easy as that. So now the nicest piece in the car. Not sure how good the lighting or the sound's gonna be in here with the light bar and the camera being so far away. Probably overexposed right now, but we're gonna take off the weighted Skunk 2 shift knob, which is actually really nice now that I think about it. And we're gonna throw on the center console again and the Spork Sports shift knob. Probably use the Skunk 2 shift knob on something else later down the road, but for right now, going with the Spork Sports. Any day now. And it's in. Officially the nicest part in the car for now. Alright, so Dirty Diana gets her probably only real Spoon Sports part, and it's the rear view mirror. Like it a lot in S2000, and I bought this hoping it would fit the Prelude probably like 4 or 5 years ago, and it did not. It was what, Honda Day 2014, 15 maybe, but a few years later got a Civic and it fits, so she got it. Packaging it came in from Go Tuning Unlimited. They happen to have a booth at Honda Day, And that's where I picked it up. Got the real part number and the list of cars it fits in the back, and real spoon, as opposed to the spork shift knob. But that's it for today. See y'all next time. Alright, so we're back. It's another day. Decided to just run a cheap 3/16 stainless steel brake line to fix the Civic, and got the other two out, just chilling, doing nothing. So also gonna finish up the quick wire tuck on the bay and then go get it inspected tomorrow. Let's see what nonsense they give us there. Also a good time to spray down all the bolts underneath, since we'll be doing a suspension overhaul on this one too. And this stuff right here works amazing. Better than PB Blast, better than anything. And I know that's gonna sound like sacrilege, but it works. It works, it works. So since we're here, we'll just spray those down. That one should come off already. Spray the brake line, since it's probably both, and that bleeder is probably gonna break off anyways. Just spray them all down. Focus. Get up and get on the other side. Really need to color match that lip. It does look good on there. I mean, the car as a whole looks great. Get on this side. Got the control arms today, but I'm gonna hold off until I get a couple other pieces for the suspension. Just do them all at once instead of having to keep coming underneath here, lifting the car up and down and up and down. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit when we get working on it. So we got the driver's fender pulled off.
Stop it!
Jesus. Anyways, so we have the driver's fender pulled off, and you got the little rubber grommet popped off here that you can feed the wires through to move the fender harnesses on the EK. This looks a lot rustier than what it is, but most of it's just dirt and dust sitting here. Probably hit it with some Port 15. Getting ready to depin these and feed the clips through, and then we'll reroute the harness so it's out of the engine bay. Let's get into that now. Right. So we got the driver's side done. We've got the loom on it, so in case this wobbles, it doesn't cut into the wires. Got it tied up. Probably put another zip tie holding it closer to the chassis. Tested it. Now we're gonna do the passenger side and figure that out. All right, so we're gonna end this one with bleeding the brakes in the front. Didn't film doing the back because reasons, and have Chrissy here is gonna help me, and gonna get to it. All right, see if she can figure out how to turn the car on without knocking it off the stands. Got it.
No! Which key is it?
The only one that's cut like a key. The other one's blank. I haven't got it cut yet.
Why isn't it turning on?
You gotta put the pedal all the way down.
You tell the shortest person to help you do this.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it. And the car didn't fall off the stands.
Shut up. Wait, do I let this go?
Is it in gear? Did you check?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. Hold it. Hold it. brakes now. Finally bled. I guess we can do car things now. You really had to put behind the camera. That threw me totally off. Anyways.
Sorry.
So, car stops now. I guess we can go get a rejection sticker or inspection sticker. We'll see if they give me nonsense for the ride height. But it's not lowered more than 2 inches. It's not raised more than 2 inches. That's the mass law. That's the end of this one. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, anything you want. Thanks again.